Hey everybody, here is my high point 9mm carbine with the high Tower MBS, what is it? The high Tower MBS 95 installed on it. The installation took probably like 10 minutes. So you have your safety, which is there. You have your safety, which is on the handle, not on the handle, but on the trigger too. It's pretty easy to disassemble. You put that latch back, and then you also slide that latch, and then you slide this to release the front rail, and then you just slide off the top. It's nothing really hard to do. Overall, is it heavier than the old carbine? Not really. It kind of is, but not really. But it's balanced. That's what it feels like. Mostly, it's balanced. I need some iron sights on the front, so in case my red dot, the battery goes. But overall, this is the finished product. I need to adjust the trigger. It feels a little bit mushy before I go to the range. But yeah. My initial impressions is that it does feel a little bit plasticky. It does feel a lot plasticky, actually. It looks like a toy, kind of too, but it's not a toy, obviously. Overall, I like it, and it's for me. So I'm the only one that it needs to please. All right, so that's about it. Thanks for watching.